Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix the missing RAID controller driver. To start, right click over it, go to its properties, click on details. Now from this drop down select hardware IDs. Now select the first line and copy it. Now go to your browser, paste it in the address bar and hit enter. From the search results go to the website of driver pack. Scroll down a bit and click here to download the driver. Once downloaded, right click over the file and extract the contents of the file. Now go to device manager, right click over RAID controller, click on update driver, click here. Now click on browse and select the folder which you have just extracted and click on OK. That's it, the driver will get successfully installed. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.